Transform your yard into a garden paradise, creating ideas for stunning outdoor heaven. Hello friends, welcome back to the new video, and if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello garden aesthetics, today we are embarking on the journey of transform your yard into a garden paradise. Whether you have a spacious backyard or cozy country yard, these creating ideas will help you craft and stunning outdoor heaven. Let's dive in and unlock to the potential of yard. Embrace vertical garden. Maximize your yard space by embracing vertical garden and install trellises, wall-mounted planters, or hanging basket to add a vertical dimension to your green orcas. This not only enhances the visual interest but also allows to grow a variety of plants, turning bare walls into a lush green canvas. Turn your yard into a welcoming retreat by creating inviting seating areas, whether it's cozy corner with a bench or a stylish outdoor lounge. Less seating enhance the furniture of a space. Use whether it's size furniture and add a cushions through for a comfort, making your yard a perfect sport, relaxation and socialization. Create water for tranquility. Introduce the soothing sound of water into yard with a well-placed water feature, a building fountain, a small pond, or cascading waterfall for bring scene of designing and stunning backyard and landscape is a transformative journey that brings beauty and functionality to your garden. So if you are new here, kindly like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Define zones with a functional landscaping, integrate artful garden decor. Stay tuned for more garden inspiration and happy designing. Integrate artful garden decor, harness vertical garden design, inviting outdoor living space. Key to captivating garden is a delicious craft various shades and green grass to create dynamic and appealing landscape. Mix traditional grass varieties with the ornamental grass and add a texture of depth. This blend not only enhances the overall aesthetics but also promotes the healthy and resilient lawn. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.